and this is part of the Everglades. Actually, there are two Everglades around the world. One in America and the other one is over here in Australia. So, ayan po yung kayak natin. Meron po tayong water, mandarin, apple, towel, paddle, and over here, yung lagayan natin ng foam. Diba? So, dahil very shallow po siya, kailangan natin pumunta banda sa unahan. Kasi pag inakyat, pag sumakay tayo agad, ang mangyayari, sagad yung kayak. Oh, ang warm ng tubig. Yeah, very nice. Beautiful. The water is warm. Not cold, not hot. Just right. Okay. Let's do this. Pwede na, pwede na. Tapos towel. Lagay lang dito sa likod. Yan. Let's go. Oh, it's beautiful. What a beautiful day. Let's go. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda dito. Wait, tingnan niyo. Tananant. So, ito po yung andito po sa tapat ng Habitat Nosa. So, yung picture nun. Yan, doon po yung caravan namin. Yan, dyan po kami nag-stay. Yung mga ano ko kasama ko. So, let's start paddling. Ayun na yung umiikot. After ko mag-paddle, umiikot yung kayak. Gusto makita yung buong view ng Habitat Nosa. Diba? Kaya pa lang. So, upon checking, ganito na po ako kalayo doon sa shore. Ayan. So, malayo-layo na po ako. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung shallow ng tubig. Poink. So, ayan. It's still shallow. Very shallow. Parang pagkatuhod lang or above knee. Ayan. So, ganyan na po ako kalayo. Anyway, let's go back over there again. So, from here, the water is going deeper and deeper. So, that's the water distance. Where am I right now? And have a look. This is my paddle. So, I'm just checking how far away the water. The deep. Oh, almost halfway. Oh, more than halfway. And this paddle is mga 1 meter. Forward paddling. Okay, so let's go back. Okay. Lain na po tayo dun sa shore. Hinahanap ko yung gaano kalalim ang tubig dito kasi most of the time very shallow talaga yung lake. So, just think about this. This lake is so beautiful. And I'm just relaxing in the middle of the lake. Nasa gitna po tayo ng lake, nag-relax with my kayak. So, as you can see, behind of me, saan yung sunrise. Tapos, I'm facing right now on the shore. Kung saan po kami, saan yung camping ground. Wow, pretty good. The kayak stay like this. It's not turning anywhere. Oh. So do we need to start going back to the shore? What do you think, guys? Looks like the kayak telling me let's go home. You want to see how far away? Okay. Saan po yung layo? Yan po yung layo natin ngayon. So, saan po yung campsite? Yun. So, layo na po. Sagad na po yung zoom ko. Hanggang 9. Ito yung 2. Ito yung 1.5. Diba? Then, from here, that's the sunrise. Bago tayo itim, kahit maitim na tayo. Let's go back. So, dahil walang hangin, di nagmo-move yung water, walang waves, steady lang yung kayak. Ayun, no? Siya, it's not going anywhere. Tapos, it's so relaxing. Masarap po matulog dito. Napaka-calm. As in, very, very peaceful. Ayan. Tutulog na lang kaya ako dito.
Meanwhile,
well, based on my experience, nakatulog po ako dito sa gitna ng lake with my kayak. Tinakpan ko lang po ng towel yung ulo ko kasi nga maaraw na po. And it's very beautiful, amazing feelings. Nakalimutan ko na sa kayak pala ako natutulog kasi nanaginip na po ako. Yeah, we're still here. We're not moving around. Just stay over here in this place. Beautiful. Time check, 6:03 na po. As you can see, nag-start na po yung wind. Nag-move na yung kayak ko. Kaya babalik na po tayo dun sa shore. Let's go. Look at this, I'm moving. My kayak is moving right now. Dahil sa hangin. So the wind is getting stronger and stronger. And my kayak is moving right now. So a while ago, it's very flat. There's no wind. And I had a little nap over in my kayak a while ago. But right now it's getting windy and getting cold. The wind is a bit cold. So let's go back to the shore.
a few moments later.
So kakarating lang po natin dito sa shore. So from there, in the middle lake, galing ko ako dito, natulog ko ako doon. So medyo sumakit yung balikat natin sa kaka-roll, kakabugsay. Bugsay po more. Bugsay po more. I know, bugsay po more.
Nice.